Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing another hair review, and this hair review is going to be a easy, maybe 5-minute hair review that you can just quickly slap on, and a quick little wig review that you could just quickly throw on if you're having a bad hair day. And you guys, I totally love this wig. So today this wig is coming from Sazzy hair, and yes, I have done a review before on one of their braiding wig, and today you guys, I am doing a review on one of their wrap wigs. And you guys, this wig is the bomb. And again, it is called a wrap wig. So here is the packaging it came in, and you take it out, you guys. It is so cute. So it has this little cap here that it comes in, and the hair is at the top, and they have a little drawstring here for you to make it tighter. So this little wrap wig, you guys, it is just a quick and easy little wig that you can quickly throw on if you're pretty much having a bad hair day. It's quick, it's easy, and it's only 5 minutes. So yeah, you guys, so let's put this wig on. Okay guys, so now that we got this wig on, you guys, look how cute it is. And the hair on top is curly hair, and it is synthetic. It's not human hair. They do have some that are human hair, and to my knowledge, the longer virgin hair, the longer wrap wig, the hair that's longer is human hair, but the shorter wigs are not. But I am going to kind of pluck this out a little bit, guys, to kind of give it a full effect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here is the finished look of this wrap wig. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. It's all done. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this wrap wig. It is, again, easy 5-minute hairstyle. You can just throw on to go to work, to just go out to the grocery store, wherever you need to go. You can quickly throw this on and make it look perfect. So you guys, if you want to purchase this wig, I will put all the information down in the description bar. along with the website, their Instagram, so you guys can go over to follow their Instagram. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my family, and also hit that notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys would definitely be notified. And definitely, you guys, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this really cute, easy wig tutorial. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.